ayan. Exercise. Ayan, may exercise si Mother para naman ma-exercise niya yung mga kamay, paa. Oh, hindi lang palaging meat. Oh, say hi na. Hi. Hi. Say hi na. O, dapat palagi kang nandito. Oo, dapat palagi kang nandito. Mawawala yung fats ng mga kamay mo.
Okay, keep going, Nanay. Keep doing it. Yeah, do some exercise. Oh, they are so fast. Oh, look at that. No? Maya. Sana all.